I got scared. Look at that. I don't know what he wants. It's a bird. Oh, I think he got stuck. Oh, we're here at the OB Oakdale. It's gonna be my 40 weeks and 4 days ultrasound, so we'll see. We're here at Walmart buying some snacks and food. Hi, babe. Babe. We just finished our appointment. So, yep. At OBGYN. I'll tell you guys later what happened. So, hi. We got home. And now I'm working because I need to work 1 more hour, and then Mickey made some mac and cheese.
Yeah, jiggles.
We're just relaxing. I just talked to my family, to my mom.
Huh? You think that he can do whatever he wants?
Annie. We just finished this movie, Unhinged. What can you say?
Pretty bad.
Pretty bad. The lesson is don't hunk. Zion, why are you over there? Huh? What's wrong? You don't want to be with mommy? Come here. Now we're watching football. Go.
Second down, second and 5. With his rookie quarterback. Second and 4. Toss here. Running into a brick wall at the 50-yard line is Kamara. That time he's taken down by Jordan Jackson. With 32. Now you look at Clint Kubiak. I can't help but think.
Love
his
you.
father, of course, was the coach of the. And the call he sends in on a 3rd and 2 is motion. Avoiding the sack, getting away, deep into Denver territory. McDermott off he goes for 28. They bring 5. They bring everybody up. Play man-to-man coverage. It's a good job of feeling this by Rattler.
You're so comfortable over there, huh? Watching baseball. Zion, look over here. Good boy.